Padlock test. 1. Match the code. First, set the upper limit and lower limit if empty limit. Secondly, press the code key on the controller, then turn the key on the lock from off to on position to match the code. You will hear the prompt sound code successfully. Two. Padlock test. When the central lock is locked, unlock the side lock will alarm automatically until the central lock is unlocked. 3. Lock when closing. When the door reaches the lower limit, and lock the central lock manually. Next, the controller will be locked also unless the central lock is unlocked again.